I would rather do it this way, you know, to have that control and to know that the resume is representing me in the way that I want to be represented, right? So you're certainly welcome to use tools, but why, right? Mustafa, good to see you, my friend. Our friend in Rabat. So hope you're doing well, Mustafa. Jeremiah says, so true. PyTorch is for people who don't love themselves. Yeah, I mean, come on. Keras is the better framework. Everybody knows this. Full disclosure, I'm a moderator on the Keras list, so I'm kind of partial to Keras. Fact World, we're gonna get back to questions, okay? We're gonna finish out with the resumes, okay? Praveen says, hello, sir. Hello, Praveen. Good to see you. All right, so you guys have had a time to digest the initial format here. What do you guys think? Are you guys with me on this? I really think that you know, showing me your technical skills right from the very beginning is very key. Let me know what you're about, right? And your technical skills help me know that. Okay?